Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to roll back AMD or NVIDIA graphic drivers to older version. So in this case all you have to just go here, this search option, and write device manager. Now you find here display adapters. Double click and you'll find here NVIDIA GeForce or your AMD, whatever your graphic driver should be here. Just right click and go properties. Now go driver. Now you'll find here this option rollback driver. Mine it is unable in my side, but in your side it may be enable. Okay, so just click on this and click on OK and restart your PC once and check back. All is done. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.